Hey, Chris Bassett here. Going to show you how to block unwanted calls and spam on your iPhone. You need at least a 13 software version, so if you got 13 or higher, you're good to go there. So from your main screen, you just want to go to your settings, click on that button. Once you're in the settings, you're going to scroll down. And you're going to go to your phone. Once you find that, go ahead and click on that. It'll take you into this, and you want to scroll down for the option that says Silence Unknown Callers. Once you found that option, you go ahead and you can turn it on. It'll switch to the green, then your iPhone will take care of the rest. It'll silence any kind of unknown or unwanted calls. So pretty simple, pretty easy, quick way to get that done. If you found this information useful, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks.